Got my hot cup of coffee, got myself a little breakfast sandwich set up. We are about to get out onto the lake. 52 degrees. My watch didn't say that, but I did check my phone. Overcast skies. Winds are supposed to stay down finally. Yesterday was like 25-mile-per-hour gust. It has been about a month, and it looks like we have the lake to ourselves. You know, other than the weird people that just hang around parking lots over here, like what is even up with that? What is up with that? Can we have a discussion though? What is up with people who just hang out in parking lots of boat ramps? They don't have a boat, they're not fishing. Are they selling drugs? Can they sell some to me? I mean, like, what is the deal? Don't do drugs. Or do drugs. Man, I don't know. I'm not your dad. Oh yeah, the trout spotters are in action. Oh, laser beam casts. I remember my first time trout fishing. Well, here's hoping that I don't get assaulted by a hawk today. They are starting to have their... Oh, there is a bite. I'm squawking. Yeah, she's got her nest right up here in this tree. And there's another nest behind it. Come on. There's an entire school of them right there. Come on, they're just short striking me though. There we go. Well, you know, make a bunch of noise, scare off all the rest. First fish. Alright, wet the hands. Didn't do any good. Oh, you choked it, bud. You wanted that. He's doing a little bit of bleeding. Beautiful fish, though. Let's stack some fish. Stack some, yeah. Let's obtain that grain. Obtain the grain. Let's obtain this grain. Let's swish a fish. Oh, dang, he hit hard. A little bit of a fighter. Lay him out so he's about the same size trout. All right, get a close up on this. I know you're not supposed to touch them too much unless if you're planning on keeping them, but he was not coming off any other way. And graceful release. That's fish number 2. Graceful. There we go. And he came off. Oh yeah, dude, somebody was getting after it. There's a bottle of Smirnoff, a handle of Smirnoff. Love to see it. I'll have to get that on the way out and throw it away. Bruh, I am just waiting for these hawks to fly down and scratch me in the face with their talons. Ducks. Ducks, why? Right? There, ducks. I mean, they're like everywhere. I didn't get a single one this season. I'm taking it pretty hard. As you can see, I'm obsessing about it. Oh, what a cast. You'll love to see it. Yep. Oh, got ourselves a jumper. Oh, he's just a little guy. Boat flipping. Flip. Smacking yourself in the face with a lure. Making YouTube videos, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, buddy, stop peeing on me. I don't pee on you. I don't even pee in here. Bruh. Beauty. Peed all over me. Fish 3. I think today can be a high number day if I can get my act together. Stop drifting so much. Stop obsessing about the ducks. You know, stop casting into stuff. Really just get right with God here. Oh yeah, that's the cast right there. Know what I mean? Know what I mean, Vern? Zippity bop. Beautiful. There we go. Trout number 4. I'm so covered in water, I look like I fell in. You gotta pick this stuff apart before you start going over it. And my loud butt would just be all, yep. There's number 5. And this makes maybe 20 minutes out here. So, this is why I don't keep fish. Dude. But yeah, I know that you're slimy. I know that you can do that. Stop it. Stop. Just, okay, buddy. Why am I the way that I am? These ducks, man. They're right there. They're right there. Nope. Stop focusing on the ducks. There we go. Number 6. Nope. Get out of there. I can feel him taking me on this log. Get out of there. Get out of there. Yep. Obtaining grain. And yeah, let's catch 50 more. 50. Let's do it. We'll make some ultimate clickbait and be like 50 trout caught in an hour. I don't think today is gonna be it. I don't think I'm at peak performance. I'm not even wearing my Crocs. How can you be at peak performance without Crocs on? Oh God, the ducks are coming. Kerploot. There we go, number 7. Nope, buddy. Netted him. Number 7 in the bank. And number 7. Well, bam. Don't mind me, fish. You guys just hang out right there. I'm definitely not paddling over you and bumping my boat. Ooh, that's a decent one. Jeez. Oh, nope. Get out from there. Get. Yeah, all right. What a nice fish. I'm pretty happy with that one. That's number 8. I'm happy with that for number 8. I'll be happier. Nope. Swim away clean. Only splash myself with water. Slimy. Yep. Oh yeah, that's the audio that you want after that. I lost a lure. Not that big of a deal. All right. All right, all right, all right. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm hunting after trees now. Trout were too easy. All in one place. Get it all the way there. Get it all together. Oh yeah, I'm struggling. We're moving back up the creek where there aren't so many snaggy bits. I was catching fish, and I wasn't just completely blowing spots by snagging trees and banging on the side of my kayak and throwing half my pole in the water. I think that's the money move right now. And if you're gonna get that bread, you got something with dough. Dude, squirrel, I'm telling you, hide your kids, hide your wife, and I just hung up into another tree. There we go. Yeah. I'm not catching fish because I already caught them all. I'm counting it. I don't care. I'm counting that one. That was number 9. I don't care. That was a quick release. So we're moving on to number 10. Aw, come on, guys. You didn't even leave me any. Freaking boat flip this fish. There we go. Stay on.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
There we go. Nope. You're my number 10. You're coming up here whether you want to or not. Dude, wet the hand. Nice, nice. Beautiful fish. And he's gonna count as my number 10. Oh yeah, look at that. Absolute unit. Alright, back home. Got my trout koozie all set up. Let's talk about what worked today. That 1/32 ounce gold grasshopper rooster tail seemed to be the trick. What didn't work today, I was straight bush. That was bush league. Yeah, could have caught a lot more fish if I would have stopped screwing around and getting hung up and stuff. But overall, I think it was a pretty good day. So, catch you guys around next time. I think that we're going to be building a raised garden planter. Yeehaw. I earned this.